Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a line. 36. Find the equation of line through intersection of lines 2x minus y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 9 and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Slope of the line is given by tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. 2x minus y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 9. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2, we get 4x minus 2y equal to 2. 3x plus 2y equal to minus 9. Adding both the equation, so we get 7x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 1. Substituting in equation 1, we get 2 into minus 1 minus y equal to 1, minus 2 minus y equal to 1, y equal to minus 3. The point of intersection is minus 1, minus 3. The required line is y minus into minus 3 equal to 1 upon root 3 into x minus into minus 1 implies y plus 3 equal to 1 upon root 3 x plus 1. Y equal to x upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 3. Sum number 37. Find the equation of the line through point A minus 1 3 and B 0 2. Hence show that the point AB and C11 are collinear. Slope of line AB equal to M is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 0 minus into minus 1 equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. Equation of line AB equal to y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 3 equal to minus 1 into x minus into minus 1. Y minus 3 equal to minus x minus 1. X plus y equal to 2. Now slope of BC equal to 1 minus 2 upon 1 minus 0 equal to minus 1 upon 1 equal to minus 1. Since slope of AB equal to slope of BC, points A, B and C are collinear. Sum number 38. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are taken in order are A 3 6, B 5 0 and C 3 2. Find first part the coordinates of fourth vertex D. Let x, y be the coordinates of D. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of diagonal 3 plus 3 upon 2, 6 plus 2 upon 2 equal to 5 plus x upon 2, 10 plus y upon 2. 3, 4 equal to 5 plus x upon 2, 10 plus y upon 2. 5 plus x upon 2 equal to 3 implies 5 plus x equal to 6, x equal to 1. 10 plus y upon 2 equal to 4, 10 plus y equal to 8, y equal to minus 2. Coordinates of D are 1, minus 2. Part 2. Length of diagonal BD is equal to root of 1 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 2 minus 10 the whole square equal to root of minus 4 the whole square minus 12 the whole square. Root of 16 plus 144 equal to root of 160 equal to 4 root 10 units. Part 3. Equation of side AB of a parallelogram ABCD. Slope of side AB equal to m equal to 10 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. Equal sign it is. Equal to 2. The equation of line AB is given by y minus 6 equal to 2 into x minus 3. Y minus 6 equal to 2x minus 6. 2x minus y equal to 0. Sum number 39. In the figure, ABC is a triangle. BC is parallel to y-axis. AB and AC intersects y-axis at P and Q respectively. First part, write the coordinates of point A. The line intersects x-axis, y equal to 0, and therefore it is the four intercept. So coordinate of A are 4, 0. Second part, find the length of AB and AC. Length of AB equal to root of 4 minus into minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square equal to root of 36 plus 9 equal to root 45 equal to 3 root 5 units. Length of AC equal to root of 4 minus minus 2 the whole square plus 0 plus 4 the whole square equal to root of 36 plus 16 equal to root 52 equal to 2 root 13 units. Part 3. Find the ratio in which Q divides AC. Let K be the required ratio which divides the line segment joining the point coordinates A 4 0 and C minus 2 minus 4. Let the coordinates of Q be x and y. Therefore, x equal to k into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon k plus 1, y equal to k into minus 4 plus 0 upon k plus 1. Q lies on y-axis where x equal to 0 implies x coordinate minus 2k plus 4 upon k plus 1 equal to 0, minus 2k plus 4 equal to 0, 2k equal to 4, k equal to 2 upon 1. Thus, the required ratio is 2:1. Fourth part, find the equation of line AC. Slope of line AC m equal to minus 4 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus 4 upon minus 6 equal to 2 upon 3. Thus, the equation of line AC is given by y minus 0 equal to 2 upon 3 into x minus 4. 3y equal to 2x minus 8. 2x minus 3y equal to 8. Sum number 40. The slope of a line joining P 6k and Q 1 minus 3k 3 is half. Find first part k. Slope of PQ equal to minus 3 minus k upon 1 minus 3k minus 6. Slope of PQ is half. Half equal to 3 minus k upon 3k minus 5. Cross multiply. Minus 3k minus 5 equal to 2 into 3 minus k. Sorry, this is minus 3k minus 5. Minus 3k minus 5 equal to 6 minus 2k. K equal to minus 11. Second part, midpoint of PQ using the value of k found in 1. Substitute in P and Q, we get P is 6k, that is equals to P 6 minus 11. Q is 1 minus 3k minus 3 equal to Q coordinates are 34, 3. Midpoint of PQ equal to 6 plus 34 upon 2 minus 11 plus 3 upon 2 equal to 40 upon 2 minus 8 upon 2 equal to 20 minus 4. Sum number 41. A line AB meets x-axis at A, y-axis at B. P4 minus 1 divides line AB in the ratio 1:2. First part, find the coordinates of A and B. Since A lies on x-axis, the coordinates of A are equal to x0. B lies on y-axis, coordinates of B equal to 0y. Let m equal to 1 and n equal to 2. Using section formula, coordinates of P equal to 1 into 0 plus 2 into x upon 1 plus 2, 1 into y plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 equal to 2x upon 3, y upon 3. 2x upon 3 equal to 4, x equal to 6, y upon 3 equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3. The coordinates of A are 6, 0 and B are 0, 3. 0 minus 3. Second part, find the equation of line through P and perpendicular to AB. Slope of AB equal to minus 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 6 equal to minus 3 upon minus 6 equal to 1 upon 2. Implies slope of line perpendicular to AB equal to M equal to minus 2. Point P 4 minus 1. The required equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus into minus 1 equal to minus 2 into x minus 4. Y plus 1 equal to minus 2x plus 8. 2x plus y equal to 7.